Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. In this video, only the shorter time frame count. If you want to see my longer term forecast and the higher time frame scenario, then please take a look at my previous gold video. In all previous gold videos, I did explain the higher level wave count as well. But what I'd like to do is in this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about the possibility that the low could already be in. How likely is it, and what is sort of the lower level wave count? Because I need to adjust it a little bit based on the latest movement that we saw here. But for now, as you probably know if you've watched my videos, this was the area between $1,720 and $1,600 that I defined basically in February for gold to get into. At the time, we were just below $2,000. Everybody expected gold to go through the roof, to the moon basically, because of high inflation. Now, didn't happen, The Elliott wave count suggested at the time a reversal to the downside. This has happened. We've now entered my target area. We've even hit exactly one of the support levels or target levels within this reversal area. Because what this green area is eventually is, I assume we are currently in a larger wave 4 for gold. And this wave 4 normally reverses to the upside between the 50% fib level and the 38.2% fib level. Now, obviously, it's quite a large area. And in here, we have some targets specified a little bit further. One target was 1680. We reached that. We saw a strong reaction to it. The next one would be 1637. Now, I primarily don't think the low is in for gold. I think we're going to go a bit deeper. That's based on the lower level wave count, because based on that latest movement here, and based on the latest movement here, I would like to adjust the wave count. So that 1 remains, that 2 remains, and then we've seen a wave 3 to the downside. But I think this low here, that was actually the wave 3, and that this is now a wave 4. Reason is, before I thought we had already a 3 and 4 here in the subwaves, yes. So I explained that in a previous video, but we never really reached the target area for the wave 4. Now, if I look at all of this as a retrace, as the wave 3, which also from a lower level wave count works out, we have now reached the minimum requirement for a wave 4 correction here with the 23.6% fib level at 1722. The ideal retracement would have been 7048. We didn't reach it. Could be that corrective move to the upside in wave 4 was now already complete, because we've seen quite a bit of a bearish reaction already to the 23.6% fib level, and I think we should now come down further. Primarily, however, because we haven't reached the 38.2% fib level, I would think that we see that 1748 level once more, or we haven't seen it yet, so that we get to that 1748 level, and from there then come down in a wave 5. That should then be the final wave that should really finish this overall correction. And ideally, we do not break below 1605 or 1600. That is the 50% fib level. So obviously we've reached here the 1680 level already. So of course I have to expect that the wave 5 goes below that level. And we can also calculate the target for the wave 5. And for that, what we can do, we take the Fibonacci extensions. One target would be to take the length of the wave 1, and we assume we would reach here the 2.618 extension at 1655. This would be sort of the first target for the wave 5, but it could without a problem also go all the way down to 1600. So somewhere between 1655, and I'm going to adjust that now, and 1600, I would expect wave 5 to finish. So at the moment, what I see here, in my opinion, only a corrective move up. If we go with this movement, and I think I explained that in a previous video, if we go with this movement higher than the wave 1 low here at 1805, if we go above 1805, I think that will definitely increase probabilities significantly that the low for gold was in here. The chance is already there. Anywhere in here we have a chance to reverse back to the upside, but for now nothing is confirmed, and primarily I still expect a lower low. Also, Yeah, I mean, you can draw a trend line here as well. That will also give you a clue. A breakout above that trend line will also, in my opinion, increase probabilities that we are going higher. And that would be here the 1750 level. Yeah, also the previous resistance, getting above 1750 first, break above that trend line, and then taking the 1806 level. Those are 3 points that each of them would make it more likely that the low is already in. Alright, so that's my updated view on gold. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.